In this video, let's add an airplane in the air. But before, I think this background layer is too small for the city horizon line. So select it, make sure it is linked with your mask. Press Ctrl or Command T, okay. And because of the mask, the bounding box is cover the whole document. Hold on the Alt Shift or Option Shift on Mac and make it larger. Even could be larger, and if you like you could even flip horizontal, but I think it is fine. I think that's fine. Maybe later on we add building here, and it is too dark and maybe too purple or magenta, so press Ctrl or Command M. I make it a bit lighter, not too much. Decrease blue values a bit. And red. Okay, before, after. Alright, I made it larger and searched on Google for airplane and found this. Don't take it too hard, just a simple airplane. Okay, move the layer most top, not in the group, outside. Okay, press Ctrl or Command T. That's depend on you. You wanna make this airplane too far or close. I resize it. Maybe too far. Here. Not the anchor point. Alright. You could even flip horizontal. Completely depends on you. I think this angle more matching with the light. Maybe smaller. Alright. And because it is too far, I want to make few stream flow from that. First of all, I readjust the light and color, Ctrl or Command M. I make it darker. And the top side is too bright, so I press Ctrl or Command J and Ctrl U. I don't need colors, desaturate it. Same technique, Ctrl or Command I to invert the color. And maybe multiply, double click to go to layer style, hold on the Alt or Option key and remove highlights. Okay. And I decrease the opacity. Also, I could duplicate the same layer, which it was the layer for making darker. Maybe too strong, allow me to... Okay, double click again. You could colorize it, but here I want to use that. Enable color overlay. And change the color, maybe something like magenta or take from the sky. Allow me to check. Yeah, it's matching better, but this time bring it more. Okay, maybe 15% is enough. Ctrl B to bring color balance, and for shadows I make it bluish, purple, a bit red. For midtone, same. For highlight, maybe more blue. Okay. For shadows, I want to make more magenta. Oops, something getting wrong here. Yeah. Before, after. And image. Adjustment. Exposure. Decrease a bit exposure. Not too much. And gamma. Alright, because it is too far, you could clone from the sky front of that. Or even you could just simply decrease opacity, maybe 90%. It's getting blending. Check here. I decrease the opacity and it's getting blending more and more. Maybe 80%. Okay, and to create light trails or smoke trails, you could search on internet or just simply create something for yourself. I create new document, 1000 by 1000. Okay, I make it black by pressing Ctrl or Command I to invert the white to black. Create new layer, just simply brush and white color, click, click, click. I create a new layer, fill it with black, filter, noise. You could use smoke or noise. I usually adding noise because I could control amount. Okay, filter, blur, Gaussian blur, make it blurry, and I could blend it. You see, multiply, overlay is not gonna work here. I merge them together, Shift Control or Shift Command E. Filter, distort. I'm just trying to make something simple. And wave, a bit wavy, not too much. Scale it down, maybe something like that. Okay, and filter, blur gallery, shift tilt. This time I need to rotate it, maybe a bit angle. And from here to here, it's getting fade out too much. Okay, and blur it again, filter, blur, maybe Gaussian blur a bit. And I create a new layer, fill it with black color, filter, noise, add noise, maybe Gaussian. No, uniform works better. And of course, we could set something like darken or multiply. Allow me to blur it out with Gaussian blur a bit, not too much. And decrease opacity. I'm just trying to make some simple trail. Okay, select, I merge layers, crop, press C, enter, confirm it, and move it into this document. Yes. Set something like screen, Control or Command T. I make it smaller, smaller, because it is too thick. So I make it smaller. Then I could make longer this side. Okay. Bring it here and maybe wider. We could make only one side or two sides. Bring, allow me to resize it. I think change my mind. Bring the anchor point about here to rotate from that angle. Okay. Actually should fit with the airplane angle. I think they are too thick, so I rather to set something like that. First bring one side here. With polygonal lasso, press L. I want to separate this side. Hold on the Control or Command key. Temporarily switch to the move and bring the correct position. Alright. Filter, blur, and motion blur. With some similar angle, allow me to add too much distance to check it is working nice or not. Okay, less. And I want to move it below the airplane. Maybe move it a bit. And you could decrease opacity any amount you like. Still, you could make it noisy. For example, I could make mask, filter, noise, add noise. You see it's getting noisy. set the noise amount and filter blur. Gaussian blur is nothing so noticeable, but okay, you see now kinda smoky. I could even duplicate the layer and maybe one more. Control J, merge two layers together, preserve the mask, and I want to remove this side a bit. So brush, black color, less flow, and start fading out, not too much. Okay, merge them together again, apply. Maybe this is better, less opacity. Alright, not bad. And this airplane still need to be more purple. I create a new solid color and changing the color. Hold on the Alt Option key and click to make clipping mask. I think double click and change the color to something from this side. Okay, and hue could work, saturation not too much, color also usually match nice. You see it's blending more and more, and it is subtle. If you need more affection, you could increase the saturation and lightness, you see, but maybe we need something like that. And okay, maybe here. Alright, allow me to check once more. And of course the light, red lights coming from this side, so I could create a new layer. Brush, pick the color, hold down Alt or Option key, switch eyedropper. Okay, and I could make it clipping mask and maybe much less flow, something like 5-4. Oops, it's still too much. My spacing, I guess, yep, 25 by default value. And slowly make a bit red color, especially for this side. Okay, and you could change the blending mode, maybe something like overlay, especially for on the airplane and this side. Okay, I think it's getting fit more. And of course you could work more and more. For example, I could create another layer again, hold on the Alt or Option key, clip mask, and I could set immediately an overlay, hold on the Alt or Option key and grab a blue color, maybe a bit lighter. Okay, and in the top side also you could add a bit bluish color. I think that's fine.